Today, you're turning your crochet circle into a beautiful usable coaster, your first handmade item that you can actually love to use or gift. By the end of this lesson, you'll finish your first completed crochet project from start to finish. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add a border, finish edges neatly, fasten off professionally, hide yarn ends. These are the skills that make crochet look professional. Materials you need: your crochet circle from last lesson, yarn plus hook, a yarn needle. We have learned to make this perfect flat circle using double crochet stitch in the previous lesson. 4 rounds of double crochet. I will provide the link in the description box. To make a border in the round 5, take your yarn, make a slip knot. And attach to any stitch of the circle. Now make 1 chain. Make a single crochet in the same stitch. Now, place 1 single crochet in every stitch around. This creates a clean edge and makes your project look polished. Work slowly and evenly. Also, crochet along the yarn tail. Look at the clean border. It's so nice. When you reach the starting point, slip stitch to the first stitch. Already looks more finished, right? For a cleaner look and no bump, insert hook from the back and pull the yarn. Cut and weave in the extra yarn tail. Round 5 completed. For an easy and pretty decorative edge, we add a super beginner-friendly edging. For round 6, take your yarn and make a slip knot. Attach to any stitch. Make 2 chains. Skip one stitch. Slip stitch in next stitch. Now repeat the pattern all around. Make 2 chains. Skip one stitch. Then slip stitch in next stitch. Looking so pretty. This created a cute scalloped edge. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Insert hook from the back and pull the yarn. Cut yarn leaving a small tail, 10 to 12 centimeters. Pull yarn through the loop and tighten gently. Your project is secure. Using a yarn needle, a weave tail through stitches on the back. Change direction once. Trim the extra yarn. And just like that, no loose ends. This step makes your crochet look store-bought quality. Look at what you made. A real handmade crochet coaster. This is a huge milestone. Like and subscribe for more. Comment coaster. See you in next class. Happy crocheting!